So in this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. A lot of people call me and ask me, sir, I have not done anything till now. Can I crack NEET in remaining 4 to 5 months? A father called me today. He said, my kid has not studied at all till now. And can he crack NEET in the remaining amount of time? And I asked him, okay, exam finished on 13th September. What has he done till now? Nothing. Father did not have an answer. So let me answer this question for you. Can you crack NEET in 4 to 5 months? By the end of this video, you will know the answer of this question. First reality is that 16 lakh aspirants write exam for 40,000 government medical college seats, which means the selection rate is 2.5%. Selection rate is 2.5%. The second reality is only about 1.5 lakh students. There is no data published because this is a slightly difficult data to capture, but this is my sense. We have been preparing students for NEET exam through online courses for last 4 years. My sense is 1.5 lakh students out of 16 lakh are preparing properly, and out of that 40,000 will get selected. So the reality is selection rate is actually 26% and not 2.5%. 26% and not 2.5%. The remaining people, 14.5 lakh people, 16 lakh minus 1.5 lakh, they go to the exam without properly getting prepared, and they have no chance of getting selected. What does preparing properly mean? You should have a routine. In that routine, as per that routine, you should read theory, you should practice questions, and you should write mock tests after proper revision. And you will see a lot of videos that I will publish here, as well as a lot of things we would be providing on neetprep.com in the time up to NEET 2021 would be focused towards revision, be it short duration revision course, be it NCERT text audio explanations for physics and chemistry, test, everything would be, and a lot of videos that I will produce, they will be around revision. Now, if you do not have a routine, then all of these things will not happen. You will not be able to do it. It requires discipline. It requires consistent hard work. It requires consistent 10 to 12 hours of studies daily. Right? If you have a routine, you practice theory, but you don't practice question, you don't write mock tests, then again you have no chance of getting selected in NEET exam. I prepared a video on 14-day focus plan, right? In which I had explained to you how do you organize this in a 2-week, in a 14-day window. 12 days you'll prepare, 13th day you'll do your revision for your mock test, 14th day you'll write mock test, and after that you'll do postmortem. What I want to tell you is, don't ask this question from anyone or through a video. Don't try and find out strategies of how to crack NEET in 4 to 5 months. Think about the 14-day focus plan, right? Decide whatever number of chapters you want to do. You feel uncomfortable first time trying to do 7-8 chapters, try and do 3-4 chapters. You will know whether you would be able to train your mind and body for this discipline. I'm telling you, it is not easy, but it can be done by anyone. NEET success, exam is not difficult. The problem is the syllabus is 96 chapters. It requires consistency of effort. It requires studying every day. It means giving up holidays, happy birthdays, Holi's, Diwali's, New Year's, everything. Every day you study for 10 to 12 hours a day, and then you try and maintain a balanced life to be able to consistently study every day. So what you need to do is, rather than asking this question, think about what you will do for next 14 days, try and achieve it. You will find out in how much time you will be able to crack NEET. If you are able to finish 3-4 chapters, probably you will be able to crack next year. That is okay. If you are able to study 6-7 chapters, you will be able to do it this year itself. And if you are not able to do at all, then also you would know ultimately 16 lakh people are writing the exam. There is no binding on who can submit the form or not. Everyone can submit the form. A lot of people are eligible to submit the form, right? So stop asking this question. Get to work right now. Make this 14-day plan and start studying. Watch my video of 14-day focus plan. Start studying, and then you will figure out yourself in how much time you can crack NEET. You can crack it. Everyone can crack it. But you have to take the first step. You have to come out of your comfort zone. And coming out of comfort zone is doing all these 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you will know yourself the answer to this question. So hopefully students, this is clear to you. In the comment section of the video, tell me if you have understood this or not. Tell me whether you have watched this 14-day focus plan and are you going to start following now, and give up all the comfort zone that is there, because getting into NEET requires a lot of hard work and there is always a starting point. That starting point could be today. Alright students.